Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 64. If f of x equal ax squared plus bx plus c, a different from 0, and a, b, and c are all negative, which could be the graph of f of x? We did one type of these questions before, and we always looking at something like the concavity, right? And axis of symmetry, and where is the vertex, okay? And the vertex is that with vertex form here. This is the general form. So in this case, they give us the general form, right? So we have to find the axis of symmetry at the same time is h, that the x coordinate of the vertex. Then we plug h inside of the function to find k, which is the y value of the vertex. Okay, so let's start. First, we were looking at the concavity. The concavity is a, right? So in this case, they said a is negative. So a less than 0. B less than 0. C less than 0. And also they say a is different from 0. Okay, so a less than 0 is concave down. The rest should be concave down. So whatever concave up, we cross. We eliminate it. Okay, now axis of symmetry is h equal minus b over 2a. Remember, b and a is both negative. With this negative in the front, it will be still negative, because it will look like this. So let's say if we have something like minus, right, and then negative of 3 over 2 times negative of 1, let's say that. I just say if a equal negative 1 and b equal negative 3 if, right? Okay, we just kind of assume. So you see that the negative from here, from b and a will cancel because it make it positive, right? So this one become negative 3 over 2. So it's still negative. So in this case, our axis of symmetry h is equal negative numbers. It mean the axis of symmetry will be on the left side of the y-axis, right? So this is the axis of symmetry on the right side. We eliminate. On the right side, we eliminate. Okay. And we don't know if b it will be 0 or not, right? We don't know, right? So we could not figure out c and e, but we have to find something else. We try to plug in k, right, to find k, the value of k. Because you see in this c, k will be positive. In this c, k will be negative. This is k greater than 0. This is k less than 0. Since the graph is the vertex of the graph is above the x-axis. For e, the graph is below x-axis, so the vertex, the highest point is k, right? So let's try. Now we have k is equal f of x, so we plug in. So f of h, and h is equal, we have a times negative b over 2a squared, right? Plus b times minus b over 2a plus c. So like we said, h is already negative. Okay, so here we have negative a is negative. This one is positive because square. Okay, so you have x squared is, it will be negative times negative, so it will be positive. For b, it will be negative, h is negative, c is negative. So you see that we have the first one is negative, you add another negative, then you add another negative, so that is more negative. All three number is negative. When you sum them up, it will be negative. So it means k will be negative. So c will be eliminated. We choose E. So the first step is we try to find the concavity to eliminate some of the answer choices. Then we try to find the vertex, okay, the exit of symmetry. Then you find the vertex, the k factors, right? The k value from the vertex v equal h comma k. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.